Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn where you can access chess openings for your chess matches on chess.com, for example, to learn more about openings in chess matches. So let us guide you through it. So guys, navigate to chess.com and log into your account, and there are two ways how you can do this. So let's assume you just started playing chess and you're a beginner and now you would like to learn more about specific chess openings. This is how you can do it, guys. Inside the given chess match, for example, against the computer, you will see that symbol here in the top right next to the move history. That's one way how you can access these. Option number two would be to navigate to learn here to the left and select openings. And that is going to redirect you to that library of specific opening variations, for example, how to start or to open a chess match. So simply click into it, and after that you will see these moves. You may navigate through these moves and see how these openings usually look like. You may also bookmark them, for example, rate them, or apply them in a practice match against the computer, for example. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.